Barrel Workshop.
Last year I built a new terrace. You can follow the building process of the terrace in my channel here. Before I started this YouTube channel, I poured a concrete slab as foundation for the wood-fired oven. The foundation for the oven is supported by rocks, then gravel that I compacted. Already then I had an idea of the layout for the oven and the outdoor kitchen, and there are many angles. Well, fast forward to this year. By the end of May I got a delivery of 491 kilograms. I started by grinding off some rough edges from the casting of the building blocks of the oven. Then I made a mock-up of the oven, making sure I got the placement and outline of the oven correctly. I had to make place for the heat reservoir and insulation. When I was satisfied and the wife had given the thumbs up, I started stacking the blocks of the foundation. They will carry about 2 tons, so it has to be solid. I have not done this before as I can remember. Or maybe, perhaps I did? Anywho, I found this process somewhat frustrating. Of course I could have made it easier for myself by not setting the oven in an angle. I guess the concrete should have been softer and that it would have made it easier. The first 3 rows makes a 78 cm height. In the next episode I will build framework for the bench top and the floor of the oven. Thanks for watching.
Welcome to the Barrel Workshop.